Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So today in this video we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities for multiple batches. So make sure to watch the complete video. But before proceeding further in the video, if you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed our channel till now, then guys please make sure to subscribe. It will really motivate me to make more such content for you, and definitely the channel is going to be helpful for you. So do subscribe our channel and do join our Telegram community as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. So here we can see our first opportunity is from Vidushi Infotech. So they are hiring for the role of Python developer, and this is a fresher opportunity. So let's understand more about this. So you can see the experience you need is 0 to 1 year. So in case you're just a fresher, you can apply for it, or if you are having some sort of experience of 1 year as well, then also you are eligible for this opportunity. So we can say this opportunity is for 2020 as well as for 2021 batch. Desired candidate profile mentioned by them is Python developer responsibilities include writing effective scalable code, developing backend components to improve responsiveness and overall performance, integrating user-facing elements into application. Coming to the job brief, so we are looking for a Python developer to join our engineering team and help us develop and maintain various software products. Python developer responsibilities include writing and testing, debugging programs, and integrating application with third-party web services. To be successful in this role, you should have experience using server-side logic and work well in a team. Ultimately, you will build highly responsive web application that align with your business needs. Coming to the responsibilities, so you have to write effective, scalable code, develop backend components to improve responsiveness and overall performance, integrate user-facing elements into application, test and debug programs, improve functionality of existing system, implement security and data protection solutions, assess and prioritize feature requests, coordinate with internal teams to understand user requirements and provide technical solution. Coming to the requirements mentioned by them, so you need 0 to 1 year work experience as a Python developer, good knowledge of at least two popular Python framework like as Django, Tornado, Flask, or Pyramid, knowledge of pandas and NumPy in Python, knowledge of object relational mapping (ORM), that is, able to integrate multiple sources and databases into one system, familiarity with front-end technology like a JavaScript and HTML5, team spirit, good problem-solving skills. Coming to our next opportunity, that is from Sopra Steria. So here you can see they have provided a quick description regarding the company, that it is a European leader in consulting digital services and software development, help its clients drive their digital transformation to obtain tangible and sustainable benefits, provides end-to-end solution to make large companies and organizations more competitive by combining in-depth knowledge of a wide range of business sector. Coming to the job opening, so here you can see they are hiring for the role of engineer trainee. Job location is going to be Noida, Chennai, depends, right? Batch that is eligible is 2022. Qualification you need is BTech engineering in CS, IT, EC or MCA is eligible. CTC mentioned is 5 LP. So there is a service agreement as well for 36 months. Target joining date is going to be July, August 2022. Work shift timing, so these are flexible to work in shift timings and in hybrid working. Eligibility, so you should be having greater than equal to 70% in standard 10, 12 and minimum 60% in graduation, all semester including optional subjects. No active backlog, should not have more than 2 years of gap in the academic career. Coming to the selection process, that is number of rounds, so you will be having online aptitude and technical test, then technical interview, then HR interview, and then LOI will be issued to selected candidates. And online test interview requirements is you need proper internet connectivity, speed, video enabled device and Google Chrome. So this is an opportunity for 2022 batch. Coming to our next opportunity, that is from Acne. So here we can see they are hiring fresher with good development knowledge. Description is given regarding the company, that it is an emerging market leader in driving technological innovation for PNC business transformation, is looking to hire freshers with good software development knowledge for its Hyderabad office. So what they are actually looking in the fresher, so you should be having knowledge in Java, .NET, SQL, excellent communication skill, good academic record, good at analytical abilities, good communication skill. You should be having interest in software system, demonstrable expertise in any one programming language, motivated self starter with a proactive attitude toward tasks, good understanding of relational databases, proactive and eager to work on new challenges and find solutions to different application development problems. Now qualification mentioned is 0 to 6 month experience with interest in software system and demonstrable expertise in any programming language. You have to contact here. Right. So that is what mentioned. If you're interested in this, then you have to apply for this job. So these were some of the opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful. Make sure to hit the like button if it is so, and do subscribe our channel. Do join our Telegram community as well. Also guys, it's a request that please share this video. We are doing all this so that all the students, like those who are from tier 3 or like from no matter from which college you are, right? So in case you are not able to come up to know about the opportunities and all, so that's why this channel is trying the best to put lots of opportunities for you so that you can apply for them, and perhaps you'll be selected in many of the companies like this. So make sure to share the video among your friends so that even they can know about this. So thank you so much guys. Bye.